How to find off Facebook activity on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find off Facebook activity. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here scroll down and you're gonna find of Facebook activity. Now you have of Facebook activity included information that business and organization share with us about your interaction with them. So this is it, and you can select activity to disconnect or clear history or disconnect future activity, whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.